She loves to meet and greet, drink and eat, and promote your signature drink, dish or dessert. Who is she?
Hi, I'm Savonda Latrice, and I am the original taste tester. Guess what, y'all? I'm here down at NY Chicken and Biscuit, right here on Farmington Avenue. And guess what I got? I got the chicken wings. I'm about to tear into it. Y'all know, I dance for my food, I shout for my food. This is delicious. Now, y'all know I always come down here. Their chicken wing, they always fry it crispy, just like I like it. I got in the back of me. Look at him right there. Wave to them. Yes. I call him my son Omar, but he's such a sweetheart, as y'all can see. I got my chicken. I want to encourage y'all to come down here. The chicken wings are awesome. So when y'all come down, tell them I saw her on the original taste test, the Savonda Latrice, and I'm coming to get some chicken wings. So I got mine. You need to get yours.